Hey, yeah. What's up, guys? It's Katie, and welcome back to another vlog. So it is currently actually Sunday afternoon, like really late in the afternoon, like 6, 5 something, I don't know. The thing about having a vlog channel when you're a high schooler is you have to go to school. Unlike these other YouTubers that have vlog channels, such as like Ava Jules, Alicia Marie, all those kind of people, they don't go to school. So they can film vlogs any single day of the week, and it will just be super fun to watch because they don't have to go to school. So I feel like I only ever film vlogs on the weekend because it's the only time my schedule looks different. That's kind of just a ramble for no reason, but that's why I always film vlogs on the weekend. And normally when I film vlogs on the weekend, it's not just one day, it's like 2 days combined. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I'm gonna vlog. It's Sunday, which kind of means it's like a reset day. I don't know about y'all, but Sundays are like my relaxed, chill, get stuff done, run errands kind of day. So far today, I went to church, I volunteered with my boyfriend Cole, and that's it. But now we need to get ourselves in check because my room is stressing me out, and also I need to take a shower. Would you rather me be honest? So this is what the room looks like. We have my messy bed, my messy floor, also messy floor. I just got a lot of crap everywhere. And even my bathroom, it needs to all be cleaned. I'm gonna start by picking up some of the crap all over the place, and then we're gonna take a shower. If you guys didn't see my last vlog, I bought this super cute Calvin Klein sports bra, and I wore it for the first time like 2 days ago. The problem with me is I have big boobs. I was blessed in this area, but none of the sizes ever fit me right. Like a medium size sports bra fits me like this way, so that way it doesn't hang down too far, but it won't fit me this way because then I'll pop out of it. But a large sports bra fits me here and not here or here. My boobies could not stay in it. Every 5 minutes, I'd be popping out of it. These sports bras are for people who are not blessed in this area, let me just tell you that. I also want to go through my clothes again. I go through my closet a lot. Probably like once a week, I go through it and get rid of clothes that I haven't worn or I said I was going to wear and didn't wear, and then I list them on my Poshmark. And if you guys don't know, I sell lots and lots of clothes on my Poshmark. I'll put my @ on the screen. It's just caitidecort. And if you go buy anything on my Poshmark, I send you guys a custom letter. I have these custom cards that I got printed with my logo and everything on them, and anytime someone orders something from my Poshmark, I always write a little note, and I love doing that. It's so cute because then you guys can like hang it or throw it away if you want, you know, whatever. Also, I have nonstop been drinking out of my Caiti cup. If you guys did not know, I have tumblers that are literally like Yeti cups, and they're so good, so go shop them on my merch down below. I need to put all these clothes away. This is trash. I always put all my trash over here. I need to hang up all of these sweatshirts that are clean. I just haven't put them away. I think right now I'm gonna shower, and then once I'm done showering, we're gonna go through my closet and list some things on Poshmark, wrap some things up for Poshmark that I need to ship out, and that's gonna be the plan. I'm out of the shower now. I always feel so ugly when I get out of the shower. Now we're gonna do the skincare. So many people ask me for my skincare routine, but I feel like I talk about it all the time. I use the CeraVe PM facial moisturizer, and it's like 12 bucks or like 15. It's drugstore, and it just works amazing. Also, y'all, I cut open my finger today. I have no idea if you can see that, but it's like big cut, like it's like that big on my thumb, and oh my gosh, it stings. And now I'm gonna get my under eye cream. This is the CeraVe under eye repair cream, I think. And lastly, lip care. This Bite Beauty agave lip mask, so good. It literally comes with a little spoon. That's how good it is. Put a big old chunk on there, rub it on in. I don't know if a lot of people know this about me, but I always have a planner or an agenda on my desk. I've just always been like that. I bought this one at the start of 2020, and I've been using it since. This one is giant, and I just lay it on my vanity, and I write down all my important dates on it. So that's what the past 2 months look like. But now we're March. It is actually March 1st when I'm filming this, so I have a bunch of stuff coming up in March that I don't even know if I've talked about on my channel before, but I'm going to be going to 3 different states in the next month. Kind of crazy. I know, my life is wild. I'm going to write important dates down on my March calendar. I don't know about this week because it's Sunday. I don't really know if I have anything. I'll obviously find out during the school week if I have anything. March 12th through 15th, which is so soon, I will be in Washington, D.C. So I'm gonna mark that down, and if you're curious as to why, I am going to be going to STN. If you don't know what that is, it is Student Televised Network, which is basically a school field trip, but it's a film competition. My school is gonna be bringing like 30 kids who are involved in the film program to go compete in Washington, D.C., and I'm gonna be hosting it. So I'm really excited about that. I have family that lives in Washington, and I haven't been there in like a few years, so it's gonna be fun to go back, touring all the monuments, all the touristy things, and competing in the competition. And we're staying in like a really bougie hotel. So that's gonna be fun. Let me write that down. So excited for that. We've been preparing and working really hard. My school has. Then the 16th, I have no school. The 17th of March is my driver's license test, which I am so scared about. If I don't pass, I'm gonna cry. And the 18th, I have my cheer meeting for next year. If you guys don't know, I am a high school cheerleader, and we have like a meeting because tryouts are coming up in April. So we have like a meeting beforehand, and if I make the team, then I'll be cheering varsity, which is gonna be really exciting. So I have a cheer meeting at 6:30 p.m. on the 18th. And then March 19th through the 24th, I will be in Colorado. So crazy. This month is literally insane. But I will be in Colorado skiing with my family and a bunch of family friends, and Cole is coming with us. I'm so excited. I haven't been skiing in 2 years now. We normally go every single year with a bunch of family friends from Florida. We're gonna go back, and I'm so excited. I'm missing 4 days of school for it, which is crazy. I can't believe my parents are letting this happen. But it's like a tradition. We do it every year, so that is gonna be where it's at. And Cole's coming. He's only ever been on a plane one time, and it was when he was in elementary school. So I'm gonna be taking him on his first plane in literally years. He's never been to Colorado. He's like never been out of the state of Georgia where we live. So it's crazy, and it's gonna be such a fun experience. So I think that's all the important dates I have to mark down right now. There will probably be a lot more stuff coming up, but that's what we got for now. This month is gonna be crazy, and it's gonna be filled with so much content. That's good. I always love planning out my month, like the important dates that I know of when we start. I need to ship out this letter to my Mimi. I wrote her a note. I need to put it in the mail to ship out, but I need to find a stamp for it. So that's also on my list of things to do. We are in my like backup closet. We called this the craft closet, and it had all of our old arts and craft supplies and school supplies. But we cleaned through it the other weekend when I did like my huge room makeover. I didn't film anything, but I cleaned like all my room out. And so now it just holds like PR makeup that I get sent, and this huge box of Poshmark orders. I need to go through this. This is all the stuff that I am currently selling. A lot of it isn't listed. Some of it is listed. Whenever I find things that I want to sell, I just kind of throw it in this box. I had one thing that I listed that actually sold. It is this. Somebody bought these shorts that are brand new from Princess Polly. They literally have the tag on them. I only wore them for a try-on haul, and then they were just like didn't fit me right. They're really nice quality, and I'm so glad it's going to a person that is going to use them because they're brand new. So I'm going to list these like windbreaker material checkerboard pants. I think that's all I'm gonna do from this box. I'm gonna go through my closet and find some more stuff. So I have one of my shipping packages. If you guys don't know how Poshmark works, it is basically an app where you can buy and sell clothing. And if you sell stuff, you have to obviously ship it out. So that's what I do. Like I said, I always write handwritten cards. So I just get one of my cards and I start writing a little letter to the person who bought my clothes. Cool, so I wrote the note, package it all up, and I'm gonna put my note in here. So I tighten, oh, I didn't make that noise. So I tighten the package, like kind of like air seal it without the air sealing part. Cool beans. So now the package is ready to be shipped out. All I gotta do is print the shipping label, which I'll probably end up doing tomorrow because I don't want to do that right now. Whenever I have to ship things out, whether it's a Poshmark order or a card, I just put it in this basket. That way I can remember the next time I want to do that. Now we're gonna go through my actual closet and find stuff to sell on Poshmark since that already sold. I don't know if I'm gonna find anything. I like to go through my clothes a lot, and then I realized I haven't worn stuff like this that I really need to wear because I like it a lot. I'm gonna sell this shirt. This is just like a cropped long sleeve pink, white, black, super cute. I've taken Instagram pictures in that before. Oh look, now I have a free hanger. Those are very rare. I'm gonna sell this shirt. I've thrifted this shirt and I've literally never worn it. It's just it's a Ralph Lauren polo shirt. I don't wear stuff like this, but it's super cute and I think someone could look good in that. I'm gonna sell this shirt. I wore this like once. It's just this really pretty mauve. Has like this elastic around the arms and the neckline. It's a v-neck. It's super flattering. And by the way, I sell everything for a very fair price. I never overcharge because that's rude. I bought this shirt from a thrift store and cropped it, and I've literally never worn it. It's a Banana Republic like dad shirt. It's super cute and I think it would look amazing on someone who could pull it off, but I am definitely not that person. I was trying to be like the trendy visco e-girl, whatever. That's just not my style. It's amazing how many of these you can find when you truly look for them. Oh, another one, yay! I'm always looking for hangers because when I do my laundry, I run out of them so fast. I'm gonna sell this shirt. I've never ever worn it. It just says vacation feels. Super cute, very soft, just again, Not my style. I'm also gonna sell this. I've worn this shirt, I think like 2 times. It's super cute. Cole's favorite picture of me, well, the picture he always tells me is his favorite of me. I'm wearing this shirt, but I just never wear it. It's this long sleeve, little cropped tee, and then it has this zipper right here. It's super cute. It's very insta baddie. I love it. And with that, I think that is it. Wow, that was actually a lot of stuff. You know, I tend to go through my clothes every single week to find more things that I don't wear a lot. I always say I'm gonna wear them and never wear them. I really need to go through my sweatshirts, but that will make me sad. Let's do it. I'm scared though. I might not choose anything. This is this yellow sweatshirt that says Daydreamer on it. I've worn this a good amount of times, but it's still really nice quality. There is like a little pilling on the inside, but I'll sell that. Probably be on there for like 10 bucks. I've never shown this before, y'all. This was one of my original merch samples. If you guys don't know how merch works, basically you design an item and you put it on whatever you want, a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, a cup, a blanket, anything, and you get samples before you launch something, because if it looks weird or you don't like the way it looks, you don't want to launch it and have people buy it before you test it. You want to test the quality, how it looks, how it feels, all that. So originally we had the merch on these sweatshirts that are really soft. They ran so small. I got a large in it, which is typically oversized on me, and it fit tight. So you would need to order 2 sizes up just to fit your size. And this is one of the original sweatshirts. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the logo is actually really blurry on it too. So I've literally never worn this sweatshirt, but I will never give it away because it's one of the first merch samples I ever received. And I think that's super fun and like, it's a good memory. I just ate some salad for dinner, listed all my things on Poshmark, which literally took like 30 minutes. Now, once my brother's done eating, he really wants me to curl his hair. I couldn't tell you why. Also, whenever I film from this angle with my ring light, I look so pale and it makes me kind of sad. I got done a lot of the things that I wanted to get done and I vlogged it, which just makes me feel better, you know? Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, give you guys some content, get my chores done.